Hello everyone, welcome to the demonstration video of DIY group project by Group 8. Our project topic is Smart Dustbin with IoT notification and the team members are Apurva Ninave, Nikhil Gusaiwal, Pujita Kiranmai and Prajwal Kadbe. Now I would like to give you all a short and fast idea of our DIY project. So what is a Smart Dustbin? Smart dustbin is just a normal bin where everyone can dispose waste, but integration of some hardware components is done for more efficient use of it. So whenever an object is sensed by the IR sensor, the lid will open automatically and thereby we can put waste material inside it. In addition to it, we can also monitor the waste material level inside the bin. And in this way, being on a smaller scale, the environment can be kept safe and clean. Moving forward, the hardware parts we used in our project are: first is ESP32 Wi-Fi module. It is a device that can interface with other systems to provide Wi-Fi and Bluetooth through its SPI and UART interfaces. Second is SG90 servo motor. It is a device which is used to convert the control signal of the controller into the rotational angular displacement or angular velocity of the motor output shaft. Basically, it is used in our project to open up the lead. Third is ultrasonic sensor. It measures the distance of a target object by emitting ultrasonic sound waves and converts the reflected sound into an electrical signal. In our project, it is used to detect the level of waste material inside the bin. Next are the jumper wires. These are used to connect remote electric circuits. The breadboard is used to create quick and easy temporary electronic circuits. Next is the IR sensor. It is used to detect motion in a defined angle range. In our project, it is used to detect the waste material. And the last one is step down voltage. It is used to decrease the incoming current's voltage. So here is the circuit diagram of Smart Dustbin. This circuit is made in FritzSync software. So this is how all the connections are done. The black wire indicates ground to ground pins connection, red wire VCC pins, green wire V out to G35 pin of ESP32 module, blue wire G32 echo pin of ultrasonic sensor, and orange wire is connected from G33 pin to trigger pin of ultrasonic sensor. And this is how all the connections are done. And here is the flow chart of the code. So first of all, Blink application credentials are given and then variables and data types are assigned. Then comes function 1 of IR sensor. If no object is sensed in 2 cm to 4 meter, the servo motor won't turn and dustbin will remain closed. And if any object is sensed in 2 cm to 4 meter, the servo motor will turn 90 degree and lead will open. This is the function 2. Then comes the function 3 of ultrasonic sensor. If trigger pin has 10 milliseconds delay, it will turn high and it means that there is no waste material is in the dustbin, means the dustbin is empty. And if the trigger pin faces 2 milliseconds delay, then it will turn low. Echo pin will turn high and it means that there is some waste material in the dustbin. And here comes the function 4, that is of Blink application of monitoring distance, bin level and servo angle with V0, V1 and V2 pin respectively. I would like to talk about some benefits of Smart Dustbin. As the lid will open automatically, the germs won't spread hand to hand and it will prevent the germs from spreading, being it on a smaller scale. As the dustbin gets full, we will get a notification on the system, and in this way the time of waste management team will be saved as they won't require any extra time to collect waste materials thrown outside or besides the dustbin. And lastly, in this way the environment can be kept safe and clean. So this is the contribution of work by each member. I prepared all the presentations, worked on circuit diagram and worked on YouTube video. Nikhil prepared the original project and made the YouTube video. Pujita worked on Arduino code and made the report. Rajwal worked on FreeCAD model, Arduino code, and research for our project. Now I would like to talk about what we achieved and what was left out. The hardware was fixed successfully, ultrasonic sensor and IR sensor also worked properly. The lid also opened on sensing the object. Blink application setup was also done in blink.cloud, but due to some bug in code, the Blink application is not working, due to which we are unable to monitor the distance, bin level, and servo angles of the smart touch bin. So this was our DIY group project by Group 8. I hope you all liked it. Thank you so much.